फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है 2x प्लस 3y इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 6, x प्लस 4y इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 4 एंड एक्स वाई बोथ आर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0. Any point xy satisfying the inequalities x is greater than 0 and y is greater than equal to 0 lies in the first quadrant. Thus points of the required solution set must lie in the first quadrant. इन दोनों इनइक्वालिटी से ये प्रूव हो जाता है कि जो हमारा सॉल्यूशन सेट है गिवन इनइक्वालिटीज का वो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है. नाउ टेबल फॉर द वैल्यूज ऑफ 2x प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 6. इन दोनों के करस्पॉन्डिंग हम लीनियर इक्वेशंस पहले कंसिडर करेंगे. सो टेबल फॉर 2x प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 6 के लिए x की वैल्यू जब हम 0 पुट करेंगे वी विल हैव y इज इक्वल टू 2 and putting y is equal to 0 we will have x is equal to 6 by 2 that is 3. Putting y is equal to 1 we have 2x is equal to 3 that is x is equal to 1.5. Clear? Now table for the second in equation x plus 4y is equal to 4. इसके corresponding equation का हम table निकालते हैं. तो we will put x is equal to 0 we will have y is equal to 1. Putting x is equal to 4 we will have y is equal to 0. Putting x is equal to 2 we will have y is equal to 0.5. So इन दोनों टेबल से हम पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करेंगे. पॉइंट्स क्या क्या मिले हमें 0, 2, 3, 0 एंड 1.5 एंड 1. इन पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करते हम लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे और उसके बाद हम ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे. 0, 2 0, 2 ये है. लेट दिस बी ओरिजिन. सो this is the point 0, 2 and 3, 0. 3, 0, 2 sorry this is not 0, 2 this is the point 0, 2 and this is 3, 0 and 1.5 and 1. This is 1.5 and it's 1. So ये लाइन हमें ज्वाइन करते हुए इस तरह से जाएगी. इन तीनों पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करते जो हम लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे क्योंकि इक्वालिटी का साइन है. सो 1.5 एंड 1 डॉटेड लाइन हम नहीं ड्रॉ करेंगे क्योंकि इक्वालिटी का साइन है. नाउ लाइन इन ज्वाइनिंग दीज 3 पॉइंट्स 0, 1. दिस पॉइंट इज 0, 1, 4, 0. दिस पॉइंट इज 4, 0 एंड 2, 0.5. Here some point. So line joining these 3 points. Two and 0.5. Here is some point 2 and 0.5. So this is the line joining these 3 points. Now we will check for the origin included or not included in these two half planes and we know the graph of the solution will lie in the first quadrant. इस quadrant में है. अभी हम origin के लिए चेक करेंगे. ये इनइक्वेशन है फर्स्ट. इसमें हम x और y की वैल्यू 0 पुट करेंगे. दैट इज लेस देन 6 so 0 इज इंक्लूडेड. पॉइंट 0, 0 इज इंक्लूडेड and in second also true. Point 0, 0 is included. दोनों ही लाइंस में प्लेन में 0 इंक्लूडेड होगा. सो इनका इंटरसेक्शन इस लाइन का ग्राफ इस साइड आएगा और इसका भी. तो इनका इंटरसेक्शन जो है वो ये पोर्शन होगा बाउंडेड रीजन एंड दैट विल बी ग्राफ ऑफ द गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ linear inequations in first quadrant. So it's the graph. इनके इंटरसेक्शन से जो हमें ग्राफ मिलेगा, जो बाउंडेड एरिया मिलेगा वो होगा ग्राफ. दिस पोर्शन इज द सॉल्यूशन सेट and we will write hence the solution set of given system of inequations is the intersection of the above half planes which is a bounded region. Sixth question है x plus 3y is less than equal to 12 3x plus y is less than equal to 12 and xy both are greater than equal to 0. So the values of x, y satisfying in equations x is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0 lies in the first quadrant. So the solution set of the given system of inequation will lie in the first quadrant. Now we will consider the corresponding linear equations to the given inequations. तो इसके corresponding linear equation हो जाएगा x plus 3y is equal to 12 and 3x plus y is equal to 12. इनके जो corresponding linear equations हमने लिए हैं उनके टेबल हम पहले फाइंड आउट करेंगे. यहाँ पर if we will put x is equal to 0, we have y is equal to 12 by 3, that is 4. If we put y is equal to 3, then we will have x is equal to 3 3 ja 9, 12 minus 9, that is 3. And if we put y is equal to 4, we have here, if we put y is equal to 2, or we will put y is equal to 5, then we have x is equal to 12 minus 15, that is y is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 3. And table for 3x plus y is equal to 12. If we put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. And if we put x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3, 12 minus 9. And if we put x is equal to 5, then y is equal to minus 3. So we will draw the graph for these two linear equations and find out the solution set. So here we have xy plane. We will put for x plus 3y is equal to 12, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. 0, 4. This is the point. 0, 4, 3, 3. Here is 3, 3. And minus 3 and 5. Minus 3 and 5. So line joining these points. We will draw a line joining these 3 points. एंड क्योंकि इक्वालिटी का साइन है सो डॉटेड लाइन्स नहीं बनाएंगे हम. दिस इज द पॉइंट माइनस 3 5, दिस इज 3 3 एंड 0 4. राइट नाउ सेकेंड ग्राफ 3x plus y is equal to 12. पुटिंग x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. दिस इज द पॉइंट 4 0 3 3 सेम पॉइंट. And 5 minus 3, that is here. So this line will go through these 3 points like this. This point is 5 minus 3, 3 3 and 4 0. This line indicate x plus 3y is equal to 12, and this line is for 3x plus y is equal to 12. Now checking for the origin, we will put here x and y 0 in this inequation. 0 plus 0 is less than equal to 12, which is true, and similarly here 0 plus 0 is less than equal to 12, which is also true. So 0 is included in the both half planes. So intersection of these two planes, intersection हमारा ये होगा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में. x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0, x plus 3y is less than equal to 12, and 3x plus y is less than equal to 12. So this bounded region is a solution set for the given system of inequations. So we will write like this. Now the point 0 0 satisfies both the given inequations. X plus 3y is less than equal to 12 and 3x plus y is less than equal to 12. Thus the solution set of the given equations contains the origin. Hence the solution set of given system of inequations is the intersection of the above half planes, which is the bounded region. Right? सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन है 2x plus y minus 3 is greater than equal to 0. and x minus 2y plus 1 is less than equal to 0, x, y both are greater than equal to 0. पहले इन इक्वेशंस को सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. 2x plus y is greater than 3. Adding 3 on both sides, we will get minus 3 plus 3. Here it will become 0 and it will become 0 plus 3 this. And subtracting 1 from both sides, we will get this inequation. Now, any point satisfying the inequalities x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0 lies in the first quadrant. Thus, points of the required solution set lies in the first quadrant. जो solution set हमें मिलेगा first quadrant में ही मिलेगा. अब now the linear equations corresponding to the given two inequations are 2x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. So इनके लिए हम table find out करेंगे. Putting x is equal to 0, we will have y is equal to 3. Putting y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1.5. Putting x is equal to 1, we will have y is equal to 3 minus 2. Putting x is equal to 1, we will have y is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1. Right? Now table for x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Putting x is equal to minus 1, we will have minus 2y minus 1 plus 1, that is y is equal to 0. Putting x is equal to 1, we have minus 1 minus 1, y is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 2, that is 1. Putting x is equal to 3, we will have minus 2y is equal to minus 4, that is y is equal to 2. So now we will join these points and draw the lines passing through these points. So we will get 0, 3. It's the point 0, 3, 1.50, 1.50 and 1, 1. We will join these 3 points and find the line joining these 3 points like this. And now the point minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0. This is the point minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. It's the point 1, 1 and 3, 2, 3 and 2. So we will find out the line joining these 3 points. This is 1, 1, 3, 2. This point is 3, 2. X minus 2y is equal to minus 1. X minus 2y is equal to minus 1. And 2x plus y is equal to 3. 2x plus y is equal to 3. Now, the point 0, 0 does not satisfy either of the inequalities. यहाँ पर हम x और y दोनों की वैल्यूज अब 0 पुट करेंगे इन इक्वेशन में, तो 0 plus 0 minus 3 is greater than 0, which is not true. And similarly 0 minus 0 plus 1 is less than equal to 0, which is also not true. So the solution set of above inequations do not contain the origin. It is away from the origin. इस लाइन का ग्राफ अपर साइड जाएगा और इस लाइन का ग्राफ भी अपर साइड में जाएगा. सो ये जो इंटरसेक्शन का एरिया है, ये ओपन बाउंडेड नहीं है, ये रीजन ओपन रीजन हमारा ग्राफ हो जाएगा सॉल्यूशन सेट का. सो ये ग्राफ बनेगा हमारा एंड वी विल राइट hence xy of solution set must lie somewhere in the shaded region which is unbounded, right? क्योंकि x and y is greater than 0 फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में, ये पोर्शन भी नहीं आएगा. सॉरी, आई हैव डन सम मिस्टेक. सो ये जो पोर्शन है फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में और इंटरसेक्शन है इन दोनों लाइंस का, क्योंकि 0 इंक्लूडेड नहीं है ऑरिजिन, सो इसका ग्राफ अपर साइड जाएगा और इसका भी ग्राफ. इन सब का जो इंटरसेक्शन एरिया है वो होगा हमारा सॉल्यूशन सेट ऑफ द गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ इनइक्वेशंस विच इज नॉट बाउंडेड, राइट?